friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiola Khan 92. Today our video is about the video camera which I bring from the AliExpress. So we will do the unboxing of this camera. Let's see what is inside this and what accessories are with that. Let's open it. This scissor, you can see. So there is a box inside. So this is the camera, digital video camera. You can see here this digital video camera, digital camera, 1080 FHD, megapixels 24 maximum, and powerful zoom is 18x. So this digital video camera I bring from the AliExpress. So let it open. And then it is China. Let it open. What is inside? You can see. Open the box. So we found this camera inside. This is the camera. This is good. So full HD camera. This one. Night vision digital video camera. And 24 megapixel, 3-inch size, and digital zoom is 18x. This is HD camera. Just open like this. You can see from every side. DVD. So this is the camera. See other accessories. This is the pouch to put this camera inside if you carry somewhere with you, and these are the cables given to connect this with the TV, computer, anything. So later we can see how we can use this one. This is the charging cable, charging data cable, and another thing is given here, the user manual. How to use this camera you can check by this user manual, or step-by-step contact given in that one, and you can check on how to use this one. And later I'll show you in other videos how we can use it. You can see some other accessories inside. I bring other things. There is one small box, another small box. You can see. Let's see that for this one. There is taping here. So what I bring? Oh yes, I remember I bring this lens with that camera. This I bring one lens. This for other purpose, not for this one. This is the 45-degree angle lens. Put on the front like this, and then it will give you a wide angle. So later we see this one. When I'll fix this, I'll show you. This is a wide angle lens to cover the more area. What are other things inside? Oh yeah, this is a very important thing with this camera. That one is the mic. If you make videos and you want to record the things, or you can make, you see, this will come here. Accessories will be here together with that one, and connect it with this digital camera and put on the top like this. And so this is the mic with that camera. These are all the accessories with this camera. Let's see, it will, there is charge or not. If there is charge, I will open it for you. I think there is no charging, so when I will charge this one, I will show you how it will work in the next video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiola Khan 92. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe my channel.